So there's 4 different phases in the market psychology, okay? The first phase we will start with is the stealth phase. So this is what they also refer to as the smart money phase. The smart money is the institutions, the hedge funds, right? The trillionaires, the billionaires, people that know things, right? Your Nancy Pelosi's, your politicians, your hedge fund managers, your CEOs, and things like that. The smart money knows what's going to happen before retail does, okay? And this is referred to the stealth phase because the smart money likes to load up in the stealth phase. So it's called the stealth phase because this is when nobody's really talking about it, nobody's really thinking about it, nobody really cares about it, right? There's no tweets going on, the media's not talking about it, the politicians aren't talking about it, so on and so forth, right? It's just a line, right? It's flat. And today I'm going to refer to Dogecoin's chart over here inside the Discord. Okay, and we use technical analysis to identify what phases we're in, right? So if you look at Dogecoin here, okay, the stealth phase, right? What does that look like on this chart? It looks like this, okay? It's not going up, it's not going down, it's going sideways. You can see Dogecoin was 5 cents. 5 cents here just at the beginning of the year. Okay, that was in 2024. Who was talking about Dogecoin at the beginning of the year, folks? Nobody. Nobody. Okay, but now who's talking about it? Every single person on Twitter, every single person on TikTok, all the news media outlets, Elon Musk, right, Donald Trump, everybody's talking about Dogecoin. Why is that? It's because we're flying right now, right? There is something called enthusiasm happening right now, media attention, okay? This is why they're talking about it. So there's phases, right? And as an investor, as a trader, right, we want to buy with these guys. We want to buy with the smart money. We don't want to buy with all the sheep, right? All the retail investors that just think, oh my God, it's never going down, right? Delusion, new paradigm, right? Oh, it's the newest thing in the world. It's the new currency. It's going to go to the moon. It's never coming down. It's going to hit the same price as Bitcoin, right? You're seeing all this language. You're seeing all this just kind of insanity. I don't know that we're here at the top yet. I don't know if we're completely in delusion yet, but I do know right now we're somewhere, I believe right here, right in enthusiasm, right between enthusiasm and greed. And typically when you look at this chart, that's actually where you want to sell, right? That's where you want to sell into the greed. Okay, because when you get up here, people just start to lose their minds, and then they're going to get way too greedy, and they're going to hold, and they're going to think it's never going down, never going down, never going down, and it's going to get down here, and they're going to sell. There's a prime example of that, okay, back here in 2021. A lot of you first might have heard about Dogecoin back in 2021, June of 2021, okay? What happened in June of 2021? The price of Dogecoin, right, went from right here, right, which was less than a penny, okay? It was less than a penny back here in 2020. And it went all the way up to 76 cents, okay? And everybody and their mother was talking about it right up here, right? Everybody was talking about it. Everyone was buying it. I got friends that just got into crypto to buy Dogecoin up here at 60 to 65 cents. And guess what happened? Okay, they got absolutely annihilated because where were they buying? They were buying with the sheep. They were buying with the people, right, who didn't know what they were doing. They just heard it on the news or they heard it from their favorite Twitter or YouTube influencer. So they bought it. And what did they do? They bought it at 60 cents. Where'd the price go? All the way down to 5 cents. So they literally lost all of their money, right? They lost 90% of their investment. And the people that get involved in here, unfortunately, are the people that lose all their money and then they never come back to crypto, right? They just think crypto's a scam because one, they're uneducated, and two, they just don't understand how these markets work. This is a pattern. This is an ongoing pattern, okay? This is an ongoing pattern. There's the stealth phase where nobody's talking about it. It's just kind of silent. Again, nobody talking about Dogecoin right here at 5 cents. Everybody wants to talk about it and buy it, though, up here at 40 cents. They think it's just the greatest thing in the world up here at 40 cents. But again, nobody wants to invest in it down here at 5, 6 cents. Okay, that's just how it works. So I've been through 3-4 cycles now. Okay, and you take a look at Bitcoin here. Okay, I've been through 3 or 4 of these cycles. Okay, I started investing in cryptocurrency back in 2020. Okay, 2019, 2020, which was back here. And you can see, guys, the indicator that we use will measure where we are at in the cycle. So Bitcoin, right, when this blue wave is up here, okay, we're somewhere in this area. Okay, we're somewhere in this area. When the blue wave on our indicator down here is up in this area. Okay, when it's down here, like it was back here in 2023 of January, right? This was $16,000. You see, Bitcoin was $16,000 in 2023. Who was talking about Bitcoin at $16,000? Who? Nobody. Just the smart money. Just the people who are playing in the dark, right? They're buying when nobody else is talking about it. Once you get up here and you get to this stage where everyone's just delusional, okay, the mania phase where everyone's just like, oh my God, like this is insane, like it's going to the moon, Elon Musk, yeah, right? This is when you need to start planning to sell, okay? And I'm not saying we're at the very top yet on these assets. I don't think we are. I think we're still a few months out. I'm thinking maybe January, February is going to be the top. I do think we're going to get some volatility, and I think we're going to get some bouncing around, right? But you guys need to start planning. For those of you in the comments saying that you're never selling, you're never going to sell, right? It's never going to go down. You're wrong, okay? Because these markets, they move in waves, okay? It goes down, it goes up. It goes down, it goes up. So if you want to be a successful investor, what you need to do is you need to buy down here, okay? You shouldn't be really buying up here. I'm not saying you shouldn't be buying right now because I do think the markets are going to go up for the month. But again, be excited when nobody else is excited. Like I'm excited right now because I'm planning my exit, okay? We're planning our exit right now because of where the waves are, okay? And depending on what you're holding, right, there's names. I'm currently just holding XRP right now because where's the wave? The wave is just starting its way up, okay? So I'm going to hold XRP until the wave gets back up in this area. Okay, I bought off this green dot right here at about 50 cents. Okay, buying down here in this area. Okay, stealth phase. Nobody's talking about it, right? Sideways action. Okay, and then the next phase is the institutional investors. These are the big money, right? The people who manage people's monies and IRAs and things like that. Then you have the public. This is the retail. These are the sheep, right? This is where everyone's buying Dogecoin. You guys saw Dogecoin. I mean, no one was buying Dogecoin at 5 cents. Everyone's buying it now at 40 cents when it's already up 900%. Okay? The smart money can't sell their bags, right? The smart money can't sell their bags. Let me go back to Doji. Okay? The smart money can't sell their bags to you guys if there's nobody buying. Okay, they can only sell, right, when you guys are buying. So as they are loading up, sorry, one hand typing here is kind of difficult. But as they're loading up here, they want to sell to you guys up here at 40, 50, 60, wherever you're buying it. And I don't care what Elon Musk says or anything like that. I'm not saying this thing can't go to $1. But if you were the smart money, you were buying down in this area at 5 cents, meaning you are already up 900%. Right? You're already up 900% off your investment if you were buying back here in 2023 when the indicator was telling you to buy down here. Okay, now is when we should be planning our exit. So for those of you that are just getting involved at these prices, yes, you could make a little bit of money in the short term, but there is going to come a time where this thing sells back off. It always happens, folks. It always happens. I've lived through 4 of these cycles now. Okay, 70 cents down to 5 cents is 90% of your portfolio. Meaning if you put in 10 grand up here at 60, 70 cents and you held it all the way through, right, your $10,000 is now worth $1,000. So I believe in technical analysis. There's a lot of people that hate on it, but if you don't believe in technical analysis, if you don't think it's real, then right, you were probably somebody that was buying up here, right, Bitcoin up here at 70,000, okay? We don't want to buy Bitcoin at the top, okay? And the top is told to us by our indicator here. Okay, we want to buy at the bottom. Okay, we want to buy the green dots and we want to sell the red dots. And right now, Bitcoin's dot is green, so we are expecting a move higher over the next couple of months. But after that, okay, I think they're going to flush it on us really, really hard, folks, and it always happens. So again, keep this in mind when you're investing, guys. When people start shouting from the mountaintops to buy, that's when you should start planning your exit. And right now, we're getting into this territory. Okay, I truly believe we're getting to this territory across the board. I started this channel so you guys don't have to sit through these big fat dips. Okay, so if you are new, feel free to follow along, guys. I got a Discord channel you guys can join. This chart is actually right over here if you want to study it. The link is in my bio. If you guys have any questions, feel free to DM me. I'm here to help, and God bless you.